welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be unboxing one of my personal favorite beauty subscription boxes. This has definitely grown. At the start of the year, I would not have put this box up there as like my top favorite boxes, but every month I feel like it's gotten better and better, and we see great brands. There's full-size products in this, and I'm just very pleased with what I'm paying for it, what I'm receiving in return for that. So it's definitely become one of my top 5 boxes right now just because it's done such a great job this year. So we're unboxing the BeautyFix box by dermstore, and I have with me the December 2023 box. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this box, this is the exact same one that you will receive in the month of December. So as long as you order this month, you will receive the same box that I'm about to show you guys. Is a monthly beauty subscription box, and inside you will have a mixture of full-size and sample-sized items. They do a little bit of both. I can get this box down though to $20 a month and free shipping, which personally I think is a steal. If you look out there across the board of any subscription boxes, $20 for a box it doesn't happen anymore. But if you purchase a 3-month plan or longer and you use my discount code when you sign up, it will actually bring this box down to $20 a box. Now you do need to prepay ahead of time for all 3 months, so you will pay $60 in one transaction. But then, like I said, that breaks down to $20 a box. There's free shipping on it. And what you get inside of these boxes are definitely worth the $20 spent. So this is what it looks like when we open it up. Keep in mind, dermstore is all about the skin, so this typically is a skincare heavy box, but still the brands that are in here, absolutely worth it. I mean, look at this. Just sneak peeking just on top, I'm like, look, we've got Olex, we've got Tula, there's Nest, we got Ico London. Like, already I'm impressed with the brands. Also, there's a lot of items in here. I mean, holy bananas, you guys. I think this has the most items in it than I've seen in any of their other boxes, because there's like 9 or 10 items in this box. First item inside of our box is from Olex. This is a full-size product. This is their number 8, and it is a Bond Intense Moisture Mask. So this is a hair care product. 100 ml is what we have here, and basically you'll just pump this out and you're going to put this onto wet or damp hair. You do want to wash your hair first, so go ahead and shampoo, use your conditioner, cleanse all of that out. Once it's damp or wet after that, you're going to apply this product and you're going to leave it on for 10 minutes and then you're going to rinse it out afterwards. This is going to help to give you hydration back to your hair, but it's also going to give you volume, a little bit of shine to your hair as well. Moisture masks, I feel like, are essential in the winter season. Next item that we have in here is from Ico London, and it is also a full-size product. This is their Black Magic Mascara, but it's the Cocoa Edit. So this is a brown mascara. This is also a cruelty-free brand, and it's PETA approved, which is really awesome. I love when you actually get like the Leaping Bunny logo and the PETA logo, because they've been verified, everything's been checked. Like, they've signed off and given their approval. So I think that's really, really cool. But this is a full-size mascara, and like I said, it's going to be the brown mascara. Their tubes are very squishy. I feel like you get all of your product out of these mascaras. I don't know about you guys, but whenever you get a tube versus the really hard ones, I feel like I can actually squish all of the product out and I get the full use. Versus the hard ones, it's like I can only get what the wand is going to reach. So this is what your wand will look like here. It does have a curve, but it gives a really nice coat. So I have used this mascara in the past. Brown mascara is great too if you want a really natural look, like just for a day-to-day look, a very soft glam. It's perfect. And with that, my friends, we've definitely made back our box. We probably made it back with just the Olex, but honestly, at $20 for this box and already having 2 full-size items in here, that's awesome to me that we've already made our money back. And this is why it's in my top 5 boxes. Okay, moving on, we have from Tula. Oh, this is the lip treatment. So this was just in the dermstore holiday edit box, and I did a full unboxing of that, and we received 2 of these in there. So I've already been using this product. So it is a full-size product from Tula, and it's a lip treatment balm. We have the shade Blackberry Velvet. So this is what your box itself will look like, and this is your Blackberry Velvet color. So it does have a little bit of a tint to it. This is also cruelty-free. It's got the Leaping Bunny logo. It is a blackberry and peptide lip balm that will give you hydration and also smooth your lips with a sheer tint. So that is the thing, is it's definitely very sheer. It's nothing too intense with this. It doesn't look like a lot of product either, but again, it is just a lip balm. They typically don't make these super large, but I do feel like it gives a really nice color, and I do feel like they're soft after using it. I can't say it's a better lip balm than any other one that I've tried. Do you know what I mean? Like it's adequate. It does the job, but I wouldn't say rush to go buy this over something else. Next up, we have a candle in here from Nest. So Nest is a fragrance company, and I feel like they're mostly known for their candles. They're pretty good too. This one is their small votive candle, and it's scented with lemon and mint. Now, this is the first time that I have ever received a candle inside of this beauty box before. So I'm guessing this is just like a end of year treat, kind of like a December treat. So I wouldn't expect to see this going forward. So if this is your first time seeing this box, this is definitely abnormal. It's not usually what they do. Oh, it's zesty. So it is a cool lemon scent. Like you smell the lemon, but then the mint gives it this really like cool icy scent to it. It's good. It's just, it's more, I don't know. I think the lemon makes it too summery for me. So it's not quite the scent that I'm wanting right now. Like I really want the gingerbread scents. You know what I mean? And like the pine and the wreath and the cranberries. So this is not a bad candle at all. It's just not what I'm in the mood for right now. Next item that I have in here is from Nude Sticks, and this is their Hydra Peptide Lip Butter Shea Avocado Mask. So this is going to be a lip mask that has a touch of color again. The shade name on this one is Sugar Plum. It is also a full-size product, and this one will give you that hydration, but then it's also got the peptide, so it gives you a little bit of a plumping effect, and of course you're going to have this color on there as well. So I'm kind of surprised they sent this and the Tula in the same box. Again, I understand for winter we need lip balms. This makes sense. And they're great brands. I like both of them. I just am surprised that they sent them both right now. I also have a product in here from Vichy Laboratories. This is a hydration cream. So I think it's a moisturizer. It says it's a rehydrating cream and it's rich. It's designed for dry to very dry skin. Ooh. So this is what it looks like. Now this is a travel size product. It's 15 ml or half an ounce that we have here. I've never tried this one, but I do like that it's for ultra dry skin, which usually happens in winter. Cute little bottle. I mean, that's kind of adorable. It looks like a spaceship. You know, like flying around as like a little space saucer. I don't know, it's kind of cute though. But you know what else I like? It is full. Like this entire jar is filled up here, clear to the top. So I do like that because sometimes these luxury brands get stingy. We've seen it. They'll send us these bottles and have tons of packaging and then very little product inside. So I like they give you a lot in here. Now, granted, it is only a travel size. You're only going to get so many uses out of it, but I do think it's enough for you to try it and see if you like it or not. So I am up to number 7 now in our box. This is the 7th item, and it's from Replenix. This is their Age Restore Nighttime Therapy. It is a travel size, so it's 15 ml or half an ounce. And this product is a really great brand if you are looking for anti-aging products. This is always considered by Allure and New Beauty as like the top brand in line. If you're looking for anti-aging where it's going to reverse wrinkles, get rid of fine lines, they usually recommend this company. So this particular item is a moisturizer that will give you plumping peptides. It's also going to soften your skin by means of ceramides and then diminish visible signs of aging while you're sleeping. Now you do want to cleanse first before applying this and before you go to bed. That way it will deeply penetrate into your skin. So if you do this without cleansing, there's a barrier there. It's not going to be as effective. So you definitely want to make sure you cleanse your face first, wash it off, and then apply this one afterwards. Next item that we have in here is from Oribe, which is again another great brand. And might I point out, we're up to product number 8 in this box. This is the Maximista Thickening Spray. So this is a hair care product, and you can spritz this on. It will give you volume and thicken up that hair. We're up to our last item inside of our box here. Like, as far as I can tell, we have a total of 9 items in our box for December. That is a lot, and that's a lot for dermstore as well, because normally, while yes, we do get several, I don't think 9 is the normal. Like, that seems a little bit high. But I love it. I mean, 9 products and I only spent $20 on this box. Like, this is amazing. All right, so let me show you what this last item is. This is from SkinCeuticals, which is another great brand. It is just a sample size, but it is of their antioxidant treatment. So this is what it will look like here on the card. They want you to apply this after you've cleansed, after you've toned, but before you moisturize. And you're gonna put 4 to 5 drops onto your face, neck, and chest. And then this is supposed to improve the appearance of discoloration that you might have if you have any dark spots. But like I said, it is just a sample-sized vial. You can kind of see it here. And it's just a dropper that you'll put a few drops on, but it will visibly take down signs of wrinkles again, that discoloration and that pigmentation. How can I not give them a positive review on this, you guys? Like, this has all of the makings of what you want in a good box. It's affordable at $20. There's free shipping on it. You get several items in here at 9 items in this box. I mean, there's a lot to go around. You also are getting full-size products, which I love that. Of the 9, 4 of them are going to be full-size products. And then the other things that we really like as consumers is high-end luxury brand names. We would prefer that over drugstore brand names. And this box definitely delivers that. Every single one of these are high-end luxury names. This is definitely the box that I'm most excited about with 2024 because I've just grown to love and appreciate what they send every month. So if you guys are looking for a beauty box that is primarily skincare, this is one that I would definitely recommend. I do have my link listed down below along with my discount code. And like I said, that code will save you 15% off of any of their subscription plans. So if you sign up for a 3-month plan or longer, you'll get free shipping on it and you're going to save 15% off of that entire plan. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!